Aloo Pati is a popular Indian snack that features thinly sliced potatoes coated in a flavorful batter and deep fried until crispy. It is a delightful treat enjoyed by people of all ages, perfect for evening tea time or as a party appetizer. This recipe will guide you through the process of making crispy and delicious Aloo Pati at home. To make Aloo Pati, we'll need potatoes, gram flour, besan, rice flour, red chili powder, turmeric powder, carom seeds, ajwain, salt, and oil for deep frying. These simple ingredients come together to create irresistible potato fritters with a crispy exterior and a soft, flavorful interior. First, we peel the potatoes and wash them thoroughly. Then, using a mandoline or a sharp knife, we slice the potatoes into thin, round pieces. It's important to ensure the potato slices are uniformly thin for even frying. In a mixing bowl, we prepare the batter by combining gram flour, rice flour, red chili powder, turmeric powder, carom seeds, and salt. We gradually add water and whisk until a smooth and thick batter is formed. The batter should be thick enough to coat the potato slices. Next, we heat oil in a deep pan or kadai for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, we dip each potato slice into the prepared batter, ensuring it is coated well on both sides. Then, we carefully drop the coated potato slices into the hot oil, frying them in batches. We fry the Aloo Pati on medium heat, allowing them to cook evenly and become golden brown and crispy. Once fried, we remove them from the oil using a slotted spoon and drain them on a kitchen towel to remove excess oil. Aloo Pati can be served hot and crispy as is or paired with your favorite chutney or dip. They make a delicious and addictive snack that will be enjoyed by everyone. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply craving a crispy and flavorful snack, Aloo Pati is the perfect choice. Try making this classic Indian snack at home and savor the crispy goodness of these potato fritters.